Welcome back to the FP&A Professionals channel. Imagine you've got your dream FP&A role. After all that effort you've put it into the interviews, now the time is to prove that you can learn fast, fit in, and help your new team and the company. Early success in this role can really help you grow fast in your career. In this video, we are going to break down the things that you can do in your first 60 to 90 days in your new FP&A role. So let's dive right in. Number one is understanding the business. When you start your new FP&A role, think of yourself as the new kid on the block. Just like moving into a new neighborhood, you want to know who's who, what's where, and how things work around your new space. It's the same at work. You need to learn how your company makes money, how it spends it, how it plans to grow. If you have ever played a board game, it's like learning the rules of the game. You've got to know these rules to play the game better. For example, if your company sells software, you need to understand how they attract customers, how long it takes to close a deal, and how these sales numbers affect your budget. This core understanding of the business is going to be your secret sauce for helping the company make business decisions. Number two is managing the information overload. Starting a new FP&A role can feel like you are drinking from a fire hose of data. You will be bombarded with vast amounts of information and reports in a short period of time. Here is a suggestion on how you can overcome it. The trick is not to try to gulp it all at once. Set up a system to organize data, reports like folders or spreadsheets or even tools like Notion. Prioritize what directly affects your work. For example, if your boss wants to focus on sales, pay extra attention to sales data and reports first. This way, you gradually can piece together all the reports and see the full picture without getting swamped. Number three is having patience and continuously learning. In your first 3 months, you are a student as well as a strategist. Adapting to a new FP&A role takes time. At first, even simple tasks will seem slightly challenging, but they will soon turn into valuable learning experiences. So be patient and embrace the learning curve. At the same time, you need to keep learning, be it business or the new tool the company is using. Number four is listening to your managers. Listen closely to your managers. They hold the roadmap to what success looks like. Align your work with their expectations and then aim for slightly higher. First, meet the expectations, and when you do that, ask for a slightly bigger challenge. Number five is building relationships. You can't do it all alone. Building strong relationships is the key. So pick up the phone, get on a Zoom call, or meet up for lunch. Network within your team as well as with your key stakeholders across departments. These connections will be invaluable as you navigate through your new FP&A role. Number six is to reach out to seniors for help. So when you are in doubt, reach out to seniors. It is like having Google Maps when you are in an unknown location. Don't hesitate to ask for guidance, especially from those who have walked the path before you. Your senior colleagues and even managers can offer you the wisdom that only comes from practical experience. Number seven is knowing your numbers. As a finance or FP&A professional, you are expected to know your numbers well. So, be it your reports, data sources, or your revenue expense numbers, know them very well. Number eight is setting clear expectations. Be very transparent about what you can deliver and when you can do that. Communicate often with your team and manager to ensure that everyone is on the same page. There will always be requests for data and reports which are at a very short notice. So evaluate what would it take to deliver and then set realistic expectations. It is always better to keep some buffer and to deliver before time instead of making an aggressive commitment and then having to ask for more time. Finally, number nine is to deliver some quick wins. Once you have done all of the above, identify some low hanging fruits which can become quick wins that can make a noticeable impact. Maybe it's streamlining a report, or fixing a broken model, or improving a process, or providing an insight that changes a business decisions. These early victories can help you build your reputation as a valuable team player. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content on FP&A and comment if you have a specific suggestion. Also, do check out my new book, Accounting to FP&A, for more such content which releases soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.